Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the search bar and customize site result search pages on your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to have this search bar right here, as you can see, I already have that search bar. That is because I just tested it out. Now, if you don't have this right here, for example, let's delete this, and then you can actually head over to your add apps right here. And then from in there, it will load. And in here, you can just wait for this to load and then just search in here for Wix site search. So let's search in here for Wix site search. And then under this, you can see this one. So just click on this. And then in here, you can add this to your website. So click on open right here or add if you haven't installed it yet on your website. Now, once you have added that, it can show you this one right here that can show you the search result. So you can manage the settings right here by clicking on this, and then you can show your blog posts or just other pages. So for me, I'll just show my blog posts and not the other pages. So I can do that. And I can also use this advanced settings wherein I can show the hidden pages on my SEO. Now I can change display as well, wherein I can show search bar and result page, as well as this all on the results tab. So let's enable this one. And in here, I can put in a placeholder text. So in here, you can also find a number of items that we can use, which is number of results in search, and as well as all of this one. Now, if you click on layout, we can put in the number of results per page, as well as the pagination bar align. And in here, you can also change the design of your search bar right here if you want. So for example, I will change the border opacity into yellow or blue right here. And then in here, as you can see, the changes will be applied to my actual search results. Now, in order to integrate this, I can actually just click on settings again, and I can actually put this up in this one right here on my header. So in order to add this to my header, just click on add elements. And then in here, let's search in here for search. Now, it will show you this site search right here. Now, once you're on your site search, you can choose what kind of site search you want to use for your menu and anchor. So for me, I'll just choose this search right here, and I will just drag this on my header right here. Now, I can actually just change what it looks like as well. Now, you can actually just publish this change that you have made, and then from in there, you should be able to actually search for your website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.